What's up YouTube? It's your boy James back with another banger, and today we're going to talk about an unreleased pair of Air Jordan 1 Low reverse Breds. Before we get into the video, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button for me, and if you're new to the channel and haven't yet already subscribed, please subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any content on sneaker reviews, gear, and sports related items. So this year, Jordan Brand has released the Jordan 1 Lows pretty consistently. And everything that they've been coming out with is fire. And although the Jordan 1 Low is not for everybody, it is beginning to become one of the most sought after shoes. Whether you're a fan of the lows or not, it is predominantly a summer shoe, and they're a whole lot easier to obtain than, let's say, a Retro 11 or a Retro 6 or a Retro 13. Pretty much anything in the retro line. The shoe that I have here in the box is currently unreleased in the United States. At the time of this recording, there is no scheduled release date for this shoe. They were released last month in the UK and they sold out immediately. If you're a fan of the OG Jordan 1 reverse Bred, then I think this is a shoe that you would definitely be interested in. I'm not gonna lie to you, this shoe was not easy to obtain. It did take a lot of effort on my part to obtain this shoe for this review. So let's take a look at what I have in the box. Starting with the box, you have your standard black Jordan box with gold Jumpman. And the size tag reads Gym Red Black White. This is a size 8 and I did get this from the UK. Bang! These are mean. I gotta be honest, these look incredible in hand. The quality and the stitching of the shoe is even better than I expected. Like I said before, they're not released in the United States and they don't have a current release date, and I don't know when or if they will be released, but when they do, I think these are a definite sellout. Alright, so let's take an up close look at the reverse Breds. So here's your first up close look at the reverse Bred. It is an all leather shoe. The stitching on this is incredible. You have that soft leather toe box. You do have black laces with this. This does not have the 23 on the lace loop like on a lot of previous models. Black tongue with the red Jumpman. On the back of the shoe, you have the Air Jordan Wings logo that is stitched. Inside the shoe, you have a black sock liner with a red Jumpman inside. If you're a fan of the reverse Breds or black and red shoes, you will not be disappointed with this. The quality of this shoe is actually very, very, very good. And here is an overhead shot. And let's go outside and get into some on-feet action. And there you have it. Let me know down in the comments section, what do you think of the reverse Breds? I recently did a video on the Jordan 11 2020 holiday release, and I'll leave a link up there for that. As always, I appreciate any support. If you could please hit that like button for me before you go, and if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, please subscribe below so you don't miss any content on sneaker reviews, gear, and sports related items. Thanks so much for all the support, and until next video, peace.